Okay, so this is the sealer PFS 300, and the notch right there is set on 4. That seems to work best for me. And the question is, how does this machine right here, this sealer, help me to improve the quality and the value of my transmission rebuilding kits? Well, to understand that, you got to know that the kits show up in boxes like this. You take the stuff out of the boxes and it's just thrown in there willy-nilly like that. It looks like crap. It's not well protected at all. It's not organized or separated. Some of the gaskets are getting kind of deformed. So instead, I like to do something like this where I lay them out. I print an exploded view of the transmission that it's for to help out the customer. I separate the things into different bags that you can see is sealed and sealed, 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 and this one I even used some bubble wrap and sealed it. So yes, this will seal bubble wrap, and you can see that I had laid it just like that. I can even use these poly bags, separate some stuff like these square cut seals, put them in a poly bag and seal it. See the seal right there? Since they start out this big and I used that portion and sealed it, then I had this portion left over. I then took that and sealed the bottom. So now I have a smaller poly bag, avoiding waste. I set those aside for later use. And I buy the 12 by 15 bags. So now instead of my customer receiving something like this, they end up receiving something like this. There's the top. There's the bottom side. Once I get it all in the bag, these bags come with this end is already sealed. I put it down in the bag. I put it in here and I just pull down on that handle. Let me just show you with an old bag. Pull down on that and hold it. That light automatically comes on and goes off. When it goes off, it's done. Let up on the handle and pull it off of there. You see that really nice seam? So that corner is sealed now. And I'm using this old grocery bag as a test. You can even use these if you seal up one end and then blow air into it and then seal up a little bit more and then blow air into that and seal up a little bit more. You can just make your own airtight packaging for shipping, and that's less of this plastic in the landfill. I'm sure there's lots of other things you can do with it, but that's what I'm using it for.
Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Put your questions down below. Until next week, get off the couch, get dirty.